International scholars say that over the past 8 years since its establishment, the Shanghai-based New Development Bank has helped boosting financing in developing countries. The NDB is the first global multilateral financial institution initiated wholly by developing countries. Observers say that over the years, the NDB has made positive progress in institutional development and gradually increased its project portfolio.
BRICS Bank has been able to fund infrastructure projects, to fund innovation, and also to ensure that it enhances trade amongst the member countries and those that they trade with. BRICS is really a platform of countries that are based on principles of friendship, on collaboration, on trade, and also of advancement, especially for those countries that are developing countries.
I'm happy to realize that the BRICS institutions, such as the New Development Bank, is today funding infrastructure projects even outside the BRICS countries. This is important, and that is why you see more African countries want to join, because they want the proceeds of development.
Los intercambios que tienen los países BRIC, las propuestas de los países BRIC, el banco del BRIC, el financiamiento del BRIC, cómo está beneficiando a las economías emergentes y a las economías en desarrollo. Es decir, que toda esta actuación de los países BRIC está contribuyendo hacia el establecimiento de un nuevo orden a nivel mundial. Por lo tanto, es sumamente positivo.